Hey guys, and welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to be going over the previous videos and sort of connecting the dots for you, showing you how your sales machine and all its various parts come together, essentially producing a system that functions and ultimately brings you sales. Now, as we discussed earlier, the most important part of your business is your website. Essentially your online store, your blog. Everything you do in your business stems from your blog. So now you've got your blog here, which is connected to your social media accounts. You've got it connected to Facebook. Now you have to get your branding right on Facebook, get your profile looking professional, grow your following and your reputation with constant value posts, providing links to training videos, do your Facebook lives. You want to generally be appearing like an authority. You need to look like you have the answers to what your prospects are looking for. Use the group strategy. You need to be consistent, posting attractive adverts on Make Money Online groups, advertise your business opportunities, advertise your free training, and capture leads. Use the landing page. Consistency is key, guys. You need to be consistent and engaging and transparent. Create your own group. Grow your following. Post value posts consistently. Keep your followers engaged. Okay guys, keep your followers engaged. Consistency is key here. And always make sure that you refer your followers and prospects back to your blog or your website. Send traffic to free training and blog. Constantly send your traffic to your blog. Now with Instagram, post your eye-catching photos with hashtags. Use the follow and unfollow strategy that we discussed. And always make sure that you highlight your business. Post your business link in your profile. So on your main profile on Instagram, post your web address on your profile. Send your traffic to your blog. With YouTube, create value, create free training videos, optimize your ranking, use Fiverr if you can afford to. You want to be trying to gain subscribers, gaining emails, and use YouTube to do product reviews like we discussed. Always make sure you put a link to your blog in the description. Okay? So you're constantly sending traffic back to your blog. In whatever social media you're using, keep sending your traffic back to your blog. Okay? Now you've got your email list connected to your blog. Your email list is your bread and butter. All the traffic that you're getting through YouTube, Facebook, or any other traffic method, you need to be collecting their emails and then using your autoresponder to follow up with your prospects. Now, if you ever need any help with setting up your blog, come and have a look at my blog at tudorjonesblog.com and see how I've laid out my site. So, your free traffic sales machine consists of a few moving parts. Now, the first thing you need to do, as we've discussed, is create your own website. Now this website preferably will be a blog. Now with this blog you need to create a few blog posts. You want to have an about me section. You want to have a contact us section so your prospects can email you. You need to connect your social media profiles to your blog. Then you're going to need a free gift option that you can exchange for an email or a free training course. What you can do is replicate the course that I've created, if that's what you want to do, or you can create another kind of free course in whatever niche you're operating in and trade that free course for an email. Now before you set this all up, I'd recommend creating an email series of about 7 or 8 emails that you send to your prospects automatically every day. These emails will be following up with your prospects for about a week, and this is how you're going to end up making those sales. Now, to get traffic, you use Facebook, you use Instagram, you use YouTube, diverting your traffic back through your free training or back through your blog. Hence, they'll have a look at your blog and see what you have on offer. So by looking at their blog, you're going to have a number of different things that you're selling, so you'll be able to make sales on multiple programs that you happen to be promoting. So I hope this has given you a good picture of the business model. That's how this sales machine works. This is how I run my affiliate marketing business, using completely free traffic.